Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart. We are working with ordering numbers with a problem related to TEKS 3.2D and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we need to find a list of numbers that is in order from least to greatest. All right, so let's just do this. Let's just look at all of these numbers. Let's make sure that each of them are using the same four numbers. Typically they are, but you want to double check. So 99,800, 99,800. All right, I see that there. Let's look at 47,029, 47,029. All right, 47,029, 52,190. And then let's check our last one, 47,302. All right. Typically, they'll give you the same four numbers in different orders, but you always want to verify. It doesn't matter which one we do. Let's just go ahead and take this first one. What we're going to do is we're going to build a place value chart. We've got 5 different spots, which means I need 4 lines because those 4 lines give me the 5 spots. And what I want to do is I want to just put all of those numbers on this place value chart, and then I will use that go ahead and order them. And so I've just built my place value chart. I just put letters to represent the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Sometimes it might be easier to just put the value in digit form, though I will say once you get up above 1,000, you end up with a lot of zeros and you might not have enough room. So let's just build our four numbers, and it doesn't really matter in which order at this point. So 47,302, 52,190, and then 47,029, and then 99,800. All right, so what we want to do here is we need to go back to our problem. Let's verify which direction this ordering needs to go. It needs to go from least to greatest. So least is our smallest, and greatest is our largest. So when we are ordering numbers, what we do is we always start with the largest place value first. And we look to see, is there any numbers that don't have that place value? In this case, we have 4 numbers that go to the 10,000s place. But we're looking for the smallest number that's on this list. If for some reason we had a number that only went to the thousands and had a blank in the 10,000s, we could assume that that number would be 0 and that would be the smallest. In this case, they all go to the 10,000s, so I'm simply looking at my 10,000s and I'm looking at my 4 digits, 4549. I'm looking for the smallest one. Right now, I've got 2 4s. So 5 and 9 are not going to be my smallest or my least. Now you have to go with these two numbers, go to the next place value. You're comparing, I'm looking for the smaller number. Well, I've got a 7 and a 7. Doesn't help me, they're the exact same number. They both start with 47,000. So we go to our next place value. You just move one spot to the right and take a look at what I've got. I've got a 3 and a 0. So once you find a difference, you don't have to evaluate anything else. It doesn't matter what comes behind there. 0 hundreds is always smaller than 300s. So our smallest number is going to be 47,000. 0 hundreds, that's smaller than 47,000 with 300s. All right, so those two are done. And as you can see, we only have 47,302. You see how this one is the only one that has those two in the correct order. We can verify, but it looks like there's only one possible answer choice we could have. If we keep going, we have a 5 and a 9. 5 is less than 9. We don't need to evaluate the rest of either of those numbers because once you look at that first digit and they're different, you can make your decision. So 52,190. And then our largest number is going to be that 99,800, which is exactly what we have here. You're looking one digit at a time. Once you find the difference, you can stop looking at any digits that trail. Our answer here is C.